Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about GitHub Copilot. GitHub Copilot is an AI tool for coding. If you are a beginner or a web developer or a student, this video is very helpful for you. In this video, I will explain what is GitHub Copilot, why we need it, how to install it, how to use it, and real coding examples. So please watch this video till the end. What is GitHub Copilot? GitHub Copilot is an AI coding assistant. It helps developers to write code faster. It works inside code editors like VS Code, Cursor, or Antigravity, what you like. GitHub Copilot is created by GitHub and OpenAI. This tool can write code, complete code, suggest better code, and help fix errors. You can think of it like a smart coding partner. And why do we need GitHub Copilot? Coding is not easy. Sometimes we forget syntax, sometimes we don't know how to start, sometimes we search on Google again and again. This takes a lot of time. And GitHub Copilot helps by saving time, writing code quickly, reducing Google searches, helping beginners learn faster. With Copilot, you can focus on logic, not on memorizing code. And how GitHub Copilot works. Now let me explain how it works. You can write a comment in your code. Copilot reads your comment, then Copilot understands what you want. After that, it suggests code. You just press tab and the code is added. It is very simple and it feels like a magic. So first of all, we have to install GitHub Copilot. Now let's install GitHub Copilot. First open VS Code, then go to the extension section here. Search GitHub Copilot. As you can see, here is the top one of the GitHub Copilot. I have already installed. You have to install first. After installing, VS Code will ask you to sign in. After installing, you can see this icon here. When you click on it, then a pop-up coming. You have to sign in with your GitHub account. Sign in using your GitHub account. If you don't have GitHub account, create one. It is free. After login, GitHub Copilot is ready to use. So I want to show you the first demo. Now let's see real examples. I write a comment, create a simple HTML page with the heading and a button. Now send to the GitHub Copilot. It will create within this index.html file. So let's wait for the results and the boom. The full HTML code is ready. This saves a lot of time. We have to allow this here. You can see the GitHub Copilot write the code in the code editor. This really saves a lot of time and this is very amazing and cool. So we can see the result here. Refresh the page. You can see GitHub Copilot creates a simple HTML page. It's really amazing. So now I want to show to the second demo. Now I will write create a simple calculator using JavaScript. So I write a create a simple calculator using JavaScript. So we have to press enter. GitHub Copilot is working on the results. Copilot understands this. It writes HTML, JavaScript functions, and button logic. I press keep button and the code is added. You can see here is the code that GitHub Copilot writes for us. Without Copilot, this would take a many minutes. With Copilot, it takes in seconds. It takes just seconds. We can also see the result in the localhost here. First number, and we can also select the subtractions, add button, multiply button. So we have to select the multiply and the second number, wait for the result, calculate. Here is the result. Now I also tell him to make it the better. Please make, uh, please add some CSS to make it beautiful and attractive. And it is working on it. GitHub Copilot creating new styles within the HTML file. And it is preparing file for updates, preparing for the CSS replacements in the index.html file. And it's added the code. We have to click on the keep button. So let's see what's the result. We also tell the GitHub Copilot to make the more beautiful as I have the design picture here. You can see I tell I tell the GitHub Copilot agent to make it like exactly like this. Please make it the design and structure exactly like as in provided image. So let's wait for the results as I already have provided the design image and asked the GitHub Copilot to make it exactly like this. So we have to click on the keep button and see what's the GitHub Copilot makes for us. Here is the code. Let's see. It's good. It's really amazing. So we have to check the results. It's really great. It's really amazing. So So GitHub Copilot is useful for beginners, web developers, software engineers, students, and freelancers. If you write code daily, this tool can help you a lot. It also, if you have a different stack, you can also use the and ask the use the different stack and ask the GitHub Copilot to make it in that stack. Like if you are using React and Next.js, you can ask the GitHub Copilot to make it the project in the Next.js and React. GitHub Copilot is very powerful, but remember one thing. Do not blindly copy the code. Always read the code and understand the logic. Test the output. Copilot helps you, but you are the developer. GitHub Copilot is not fully free. It has free trial and paid plan. Students can get it free. Professionals need a paid plan, but trust me, it is worth the price. GitHub Copilot is one of the best AI tools for developers. It saves time, improves productivity, helps beginners makes coding easier. And if you like AI tools and technology, subscribe to this channel, like this video, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.